The RAF Typhoon, Flight Lieutenant Johnny Doe.
He is low, isn't he? Yeah. That's going to be loud.
A time in the Paris as well. He formed the team, so they're known as the Flying Dragons, and they enjoy getting wet. So
He's going to laugh.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you look up now, you can see the two SAC crew with and they're now going for the sea. And the last one down is Private Will Ford. Thank you very much, Clacton. You've been a great... Now, right. Okay. I made earlier that the Bulldog itself is also a fully aerobatic aircraft. So rods looping the loop there as well. The Grand Tutor. And the same thing goes for Air Training Corps as well. Air Cadet, Air Experience Flight equipped with a tutor as well. So what we've got here, two pilots fulfilling very different roles. Saving your life is the parachute. Why would you go and mess around with that by hitting someone else in the back with it? But I pulled it off and it's looking very good. Corporal Medic is at the top, he's the stack pilot, so he's totally in charge of that crew, the two stacks. He will be constantly assessing the winds.
No.
The first unusual thing about my helicopter, look at that really steep nose over. The two contra-rotating rotor blades, which means the nose-tail rotor. Tutor. And the same thing goes for Air Training Corps as well. Air Cadet, Air Experience Flight equipped with a tutor as well. So what we've got here, two pilots fulfilling very different roles. You might think, now, what sort of aircraft are these? Never mind aeroplanes, they look more like Star Wars X-Wing fighter. So let's take some appropriate music. Showing us a different angle of the loop. Now once at the top, they come almost to a stop and then push over. Very uncomfortable for the pilots, that negative G. Many films, they had in bells. Didn't go away altogether, of course, because there was still the flag to get the aircraft flying. That is a truly wonderful sight. Change. Reds 4 and 5, Reds 8 and 9 tuck in, and the jets now reach 6,000 feet. They slow down to about 150 miles an hour. And not only are the controls less responsive, so the pilots work hard to maintain formation, they're actually forming a new formation. You can see now the shape of a feathered arrow, which we shorten to red. Come in. Left. Now. This is Fred. Coming up at 400 miles an hour, 4G. The voice there you heard of Red 1, who calls them into short time zones, reaching 6,000 feet. You see the jets collapse to around 6 feet away from each other. They form the short diamond shape a mile above our heads, slowing down to 150 miles an hour. The team's leader, Red 1, squadron leader David Montenegro, is in his first year leading the team. He's a former Hawk flying instructor and Tornado F3 air defense pilot. He first joined the Red Arrows back in 2009, flying until 2011. Coming down from that loop, Johnny will soon lower the landing gear. The Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows! There you go, Red Bull rolls out there really ahead of us. On comes his map, pressing the red and the blue. Right to the heart, the jet arrives, with the smoke coming on, and a final touch. This is Red 8, Lieutenant Ollie Park, a second-year pilot with the team. He's drawing a spear through the heart, ladies and gentlemen. Red 6, 7, and 8. And the Red Arrows would like to support the bomber and fighter aircraft of the US Army 8th Air Force. Make the most of
Who's gone?
So to our left, if you're further up there, she's in front of you. Here she is. Avro Vulcan XH558.
Can you see it? We've got a whole farm. Look over there now. Look now.
Oh, wait for that noise. Wait for that noise. Oh, here's...
Wow!
She's had about 300 feet there, just accelerating. She has 2 pilots and 4 engines. Actually, probably more than that this year. Bombing range in Tracy. There is the Bombay. That's the Bombay. They carried nearly 9.5 tons of bombs. And in order to get And as you see, she's a simulator. They love to see you there. They can sell you all sorts of things, including an amazing raffle ticket for only £2. First prize, you go fast taxiing in that aeroplane with Martin with us. Second prize is a flight in a Spitfire.